What happens when a century-old architectural masterpiece meets 3D laser scanning? This is the iconic Saint Sophia Cathedral in Harbin, captured using the South SPL series terrestrial scanner. With a Qt Law Studio and its powerful Rebuild3D plugin, it only takes a few simple clicks to reach the 3D mesh model. No heavy manual modeling, just pure, automated magic. Let's get started. Go to the menu Mesh Creation, click 3D Mesh, click the point Cloud ST, set the color output of mesh color. Set the resulting mesh resolution high. Input cloud noise level high. Size of holes to close and island to remove. Don't remove. Starting the 3D mesh generation now. Keep in mind that processing time depends on the size of your data and your PC specs. The 3D mesh is created. Supports to export 3D mesh to the format 3ds, ply, STL, OBJ, etc.